Error code 199 on American Standard toilets, such as the Champion 4 and Cadet models, indicates a control board internal error. This is a malfunction within the toilet's electronic control board, which manages the flushing mechanism, sensors, and water usage. The control board acts as the brain of the toilet, integrating microcontrollers that execute firmware algorithms for water conservation and efficiency. When the error occurs, the toilet may display 199 on its LED indicator, accompanied by failure to flush or erratic behavior. This error isn't typically a complete hardware failure, but rather a software-hardware interface issue that prevents the toilet from functioning correctly. Knowing this is the first step to resolving the problem. Several factors can trigger error code 199 in American Standard flushometer toilets. The most common causes relate to electrical disruptions and physical damage to the control board. Power outages or electrical surges are primary triggers. When electricity is interrupted or spikes occur, it can damage the delicate electronics on the control board, leading to firmware corruption. Voltage spikes, often from lightning or faulty wiring, create sudden increases in electrical pressure that can fry sensitive capacitors and microcontrollers on the board. Water hammer occurs when valves close suddenly, sending pressure waves through the plumbing. These vibrations can loosen connections or stress the control board's components. Sensitive components like capacitors store electrical charge. When they fail due to overheating or voltage issues, the control board cannot function properly and displays error 199. Moisture from leaks or humidity can infiltrate the control board, leading to corrosion on the circuits. This creates electrical shorts that corrupt the EEPROM memory. When any of these issues occur, the toilet displays error code 199 on its digital indicator, signaling that the control board's memory or stability has been compromised. Before considering more complex solutions, try resetting the toilet. This often clears temporary glitches that cause error code 199. There are two main reset methods. First, a soft reset involves holding the flush button down for about 5 seconds. This resets the control board without disconnecting power. Second, a hard reset requires disconnecting the toilet's power supply, usually by unplugging it or turning off the circuit breaker for a few minutes before restoring power. This clears deeper electrical issues. Often, these resets clear temporary glitches and resolve the error. This will address roughly 70% of cases of error code 199. If a simple reset doesn't resolve the error, the next step is to investigate the power supply and electrical connections to the control board. First, ensure the toilet is receiving adequate power. Check that the electrical outlet is functioning properly and providing stable voltage. Next, carefully inspect the wiring connections to the control board. Make sure all connections are secure and look for any signs of corrosion or physical damage to the wiring. Finally, use a multimeter to test the voltage levels and check the continuity of the electrical circuit. This can help identify if there are any electrical faults causing the error. By addressing any issues with power supply or connections, you can sometimes successfully resolve the error code 199 without needing to replace the control board. Some newer American Standard models offer firmware updates through a smartphone app, like the Lixil Smart Home app. Check if your toilet has this capability and if any updates are available. These updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address error code 199. The apps may also provide diagnostic tools to monitor water pressure and battery levels, potentially preventing future errors. If this is not applicable to your model toilet, move on to other solutions. When troubleshooting steps like resets, power checks, and firmware updates fail to resolve error code 199, it may indicate a faulty control board. The control board acts as the electronic brain of the toilet, and persistent errors often require its replacement. Control board replacement is a common and effective solution for persistent code 199 errors. The faulty board can cause recurring issues with the toilet's electronic functions. To replace the control board, purchase a compatible replacement part. These are available from plumbing suppliers or online retailers, with costs typically ranging from $50 to $150. Before purchasing, consult your toilet's manual to verify model compatibility and ensure the board will fit properly in your specific toilet system. Replacing the control board can be a DIY project for those comfortable with basic electrical work, such as handling wiring and circuit connections. However, if you're unsure or uncomfortable with the process, it's best to hire a qualified plumber. A professional can ensure the replacement is done correctly, preventing further damage or issues. Improper installation can lead to more problems, such as leaks, electrical hazards, or recurring error codes. So assess your skill set honestly before proceeding with any replacement. The first step in preventing error code 199 is to protect your toilet's electronics from power spikes. Install a surge protector between the outlet and the toilet's power cord to safeguard against voltage surges that can corrupt the control board. Proper wiring during installation is crucial to prevent electrical issues that could trigger error code 199. Ensure all connections are secure and follow electrical codes to avoid shorts or loose wires that might damage the control board. Regularly inspect for leaks or moisture around the toilet base and walls. Water infiltration can cause corrosion and damage to the control board, leading to error code 199. Address any plumbing issues promptly to keep the area dry. Many newer toilet models now include machine learning algorithms that monitor usage patterns and predict potential issues before they cause error code 199. These smart features can alert you to maintenance needs and perform automatic adjustments to prevent errors. By implementing these preventative measures, surge protection, proper wiring, moisture checks, and using smart toilet technology, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering error code 199 again, extending your toilet's lifespan and avoiding costly repairs.